What is up, everyone? What is up? What is up? What is up? How's it going? How's it going? How's it going? So we're talking Suzuki back in motocross. Obviously, if you watch my video, I'll put a card in the corner, or I'll link it down in the description, or both, or whatever I can do. Who knows? Probably, month, maybe 2 months ago now, Yoshimura Suzuki, the factory race team, folded, quit. I don't know, maybe Yoshimura just didn't want to put the money for it anymore. Who knows? They weren't a team. They aren't a team, da-da-da. As of, I don't know when this came out, whatever, who knows. I'm looking at Supercross Live. I'll leave the link down below to this article. Suzuki Motors of America is now Twisted T H.E.P Motorsports Suzuki Racing Team for 2021 with Max Anstey, yeah, who was the rider for the Twisted T satellite Suzuki team last year. They also have Brendan Hartraft, which I'm pretty sure, if I'm not mistaken, he rode for a 250 Yamaha last year. I could be wrong on that, but so he's racing 450. And Adam Entingnab, I think I'm saying that right. They're all 450 riders. So they've got a full 3-man roster 450 team from, who knows, that's cool. I mean, you've got, so Honda's back, obviously. Suzuki's back. Gas is new. So you've got more team, or one more team in, and all of your big names back. And I think it's cool. I think it's a little weird, though, that they don't have a 250 team. Maybe that's just like going to be this year. Maybe next year they'll bring, if it stays as this team, maybe they'll bring a 450 rider or 250 riders in. But at the moment, it's kind of weird because they don't have any way to like build up a 250 rider and hopefully just fold him into the 450 once he's good enough and da-da-da. But who knows? I hope they do good. You know, not that I'm a huge Suzuki fan or anything, but like I hope they do well, just on the pure fact that it's more competition, it's more money in the sport, it's more rides for people. If the team does well, you know, they get some more money, they could maybe grab another 450 rider or bring a 250 team in, or a couple 250 team riders in. It's just more money, more rides, more competition. It's all good. And you know, Suzuki used to be okay and win, you know, especially when they had Roxon. So this is cool. I think it's weird they don't have a 250 squad. So tell me down in the description below, do you think that's weird, or is that just me? And yeah, so this is going to be an exciting season. You got a whole new team with a big name on it. You got your two big brands back in Honda and Suzuki. I think this is going to be a cool Supercross season. I mean, not that I'm a huge fan of the schedule, but that's not for this video. So tell me down below in the description. What do you think? Do you think that Suzuki's going to do good this year? Or are they just going to be irrelevant and whatever? Tell me what your favorite ice cream is. There it is. Tell me what your favorite ice cream is down below. I don't care actually what you, just comment down below something and let's have a conversation. Make sure to check out the description for all of my other social medias. Remember to do the fun YouTube things of like, share, subscribe, and comment, like I have said. And yeah, I think this is going to be a cool Supercross season. Everyone's back. Twisted T, you know, you're starting to get the liquor teams into racing, but who knows, whatever. It's more money and it's more exposure, more sponsors, you know, instead of just like the cliche motorcycle stuff. And yeah, so just comment down below, tell me what you think. Are you excited for this team? Are you not? Or could you care less and you just already have your guy who you think's gonna win? And yeah, I'll see y'all later. Peace.